guys, let's get started. All you need to do is to go to this website 9proxy.com, or for the sake of those that will still ask questions, just search for 9proxy on Google and then look for the link, right? That's it, the 9proxy.com. You click on it, and once the website opens, you click on sign in. Right now they say you don't have an account, sign up for free, so you click sign up for free. And once you click sign up for free, it's either you sign up normal way by putting your email here, your password, confirm your password and sign up, or if you have a Gmail logged in on your phone, you just say continue with Gmail. I should not be teaching you how to sign up, so me, I will continue with Gmail because I have plenty Gmail in my phone, right? So now I simply I've already created an account, but let me just use new one for the sake of this video. I'll select any of my email and then I click continue. All right, I click continue. Automatically I'll be signed in, just like the normal one. There's no basic difference. Now, just like the normal IP, once you come to the home page like this, all you need to do is to click on the menu. You see where it says share code here, right? You click on share code. Once you click on share code, it will bring you to this page, right? So already you have already paid 3,500 for 9proxy, and I'll give you a code like this. All you need to do is to copy the code and paste it here. I've already redeemed this code on my other account, so this one will not work. You paste the code here and click on redeem. Once you click on redeem, automatically the number of gig you bought will be added to your account. For instance, if it is 1 gig, if I redeem it, automatically 1 gig will be successfully added to my account. This will show me that the code has been used because I have already used it. So now to continue this video, I'm just going to log in my previous account, which we have already purchased 1 gig on. So continuing from here now, it will be assuming that we already redeemed the key. We already created the account, we already redeemed the key. That's where the video wants to continue from now. So let's log in an account that is already in existence. Good. So once you redeem the key, for instance, you come here, go to share code, put that key here, and you click on redeem code. Automatically, once you redeem that code, 1 gig will be added to your account. So all you need to do is to come to the menu and click on this gigabyte. You'll see that 1 gig will be added, right? So you already have your 1 gig. Now on this page, all you need to do is to click on get proxy. Get proxy, that's all. Now, I already have a username and password set. In your case, here is going to be fresh. Nothing will be in this place. So you have to say add new username and password, which is sub-user. So you set your username the way you want it to be, according to your name. Say your name is Ola. Ola. Password is what? Ola. Okay, they say the name is too short. Let's just say Oluwa. Right? Oluwa. How's it not working? Username must start with a lowercase letter, contain only lowercase letter. Okay. They said it should all be lowercase, okay? Oluwa. You know, Ola is not up to 4-letter words. So Oluwa, right? Once you put this, you put all limited, because now you get them. Put all limited, usage type, all limited, no limit on usage or quantity. So you click on add sub-user. So once you say add sub-user, automatically you have created a username and password for yourself. Can you see that now? Automatically you have created a username and password for yourself. So now you scroll down and select normal way of doing the normal proxy. Select your country. For instance, we are using Australia. So you select Australia by searching for Australia. Select and state if you want New South Wales. Remember, we're advising all of us to create account on New South Wales, right? Your IP section type should be sticky, which is 120 minutes. And that's all. That is all, guys. So you come down here, the format should be host name, port, and password. And that's all. So they only repeated the IP 10 times, so you can copy any of the, all of them, they are the same. So just copy one of this. So I'll copy this. And that's it. Nothing more. All right. So I go to my super proxy and then I plug it in. Add proxy, you paste it here, right? By now you should know how to separate this thing. Just in case somebody want to claim they don't know how to separate it, let's do the separation. So all I need to do is to paste it somewhere, right? Everything is many. So the semicolon, the column is the separation. So from here to this column is a separation. So I separate. I remove the column. From here again to this column is a separation. So I separate. I remove the column. Then from here all the way to the next column is this place. So I separate. I remove the column. So now this gives us our host name, which is the server, our port, which is this side, and our username, which is this long one, and our password. So we're going to copy host name, bring it here, paste. Let's remove host name and server is the same thing. So let's remove everything here. Put our host name, which is the same thing as server. Go and copy the port. And the username and password. This long one is the username. And then the password is Oluwa. Now we run the proxy. How do you do your IP analysis for the sake of the newbie? Once you on your proxy, go to your browser. I'm using Edge, and go to war.net. I do two things for analytics. war.net. Once I open war.net, I'll scroll down first. Good. The country is all good. It's Sydney, which is New South Wales, so the country is correct. So I scroll down and I check. My disguise level is 90%. Why? Why is it not 100? They are going to write it here why it is not 100. They said the time zone is different. So you need to go and set your time zone accordingly. We already did training on time zone. You should know how to change your time zone. If you don't know how to change your time zone, one of the expo is to scroll down until you see time zone. So you can see they said the local time zone is +11. GMT +11, but your system, which is your phone, is currently on West Africa time +1. So you need to go to your phone settings and change your time zone to match the local time zone of this IP, which is what? Change your time zone to +11. That's all you need to do. Just go and look for +11 time zone and select it on your phone settings. Don't ask me how to do that, right? Once you set your time zone and you come back here and refresh this page, your disguise level will automatically enter 100%. Once you have done that, you just need to copy this address. To complete our IP analysis, copy this address, open a new tab, go to this website called Scamalytic, open it, and paste that IP address. You saw what I did, right? I copied the IP address from war.net. That's what I did here, guys. I copied the IP address, which is this one. So I bring it to Scamalytics and I paste it. You just paste it here and search to check the fraud score. You can see the fraud score is very low, just 6. Just make sure the fraud score is not up to 30. It should be from 29 below. This one is 6, which is very low. So that means that IP is good to go. I'll go to my Pure Profile or Octopus, or whatever website I want to do. Can you see that? Let's just open Pure Profile page and see. Because somebody was complaining that Pure Profile is not opening for them. Let me see. Obviously, the site is opening, so that's all. Now, if you want to know, so obviously the site is opening and that's also for the proxy is 35 because this is a bit, just a bit higher than in terms of price, a bit costlier than 922. 922 actually has the cheapest proxy. That's why we use it, the cheapest, 3,000 naira for 1 gig. This one is 35. So let's get started, guys. Sorry for the delay and all of that. So just send a DM to my number if you need 9PROXY. So you need to go and sign up right now.